information about words. Now watch me work. Interpretation is when I intertwine the author's purpose with connections to my mind. Interpretation is when I intertwine the author's purpose with connections to my mind. Compare is the same and contrast is the differences. Don't be inclusive with that word called emphasis. The word of emphasis is when I infer using reason and faith for others to conclude what occurred. I say compare is the same and contrast is the differences. Don't get inclusive with that word called emphasis. Word of emphasis is when I infer using reason and faith for others to conclude what occurred. Say identify, identify, identify. When I identify, I come out with what I find. And when I describe, I pay attention when I rhyme. You feel it with your ears and you listen with your eyes. Education is amazing. If you see that, you shall find. Reach for the moon as you gaze at the stars. Welcome to the cycle where we drop high bombs. Fire face spitter, real gold getter. Peace to all my brothers and what's up to all my sisters. Demonstrated symbols and answers support our claim, and we give reasons verbalized. Other words, be explained. Knowledge, comprehension, application, synthesis, evaluation, maturation. Can you picture this? Higher order thinking, at least a mind to create. Strategic bodies to arguments and persuasive debate. Metacognition is think about how I think. Untact economy takes me far beyond the brink. Process and digest all that you heard or would have heard. You got served by these words I found. Now what? Power! Now what? Power! Now what? Power! Now what? Power! Peace! Hello? Hey, before we get started, before we continue, I want to thank everybody for coming. Shout out to Berea!
Okay, hold on, wait. You gotta start it over from the beginning. Alright, my bad.
Yo, DJ, kick that beat.
Equipment night squad.
Squad.
If love is the answer, life is a test.
Test okay.
If love is the answer, then what is the question? If life is a test,
What is the lesson?
no time for drama,
No time for stressing.
overlook my culture, that's
It's a
a
microaggression.
She sees all the hate and the pain
And the tragedy.
Failing that life, that's an
Impossibility.
Focus on her life.
Her future is bright.
She's all about her business.
Now it's time to take time.
She can turn her passion to her dreams into reality. Intelligent child, deep mentality. Love is not a hopeless place. Light up the darkness. Fire flame spitter. AJ can stop it. Power in her
Her pain.
Close to her.
Pain.
Be afraid to.
Go against the grain.
How else can I say this?
My name is Howie.
When I'm on the mic, I ain't
Nothing to play with.
second crazy paper, like a skyscraper. Always on the rise, just like an elevator. MC and not later. Real short like the rest. Now I spit hella bars. I'm a superstar. That's nice.
Flashy cars.
Metaphors, similes. I am a living legacy. Apparently and inherently, I manifest my destiny. Follow me. Check your haters out. Like a D-O-double-G.
Big dog status.
Yes, that is me. Now it's the touch of love. You think of me, yeah.
I'm ambitious, ain't no competition. Race without a finish. Definition of expedition.
Now I'm on a mission.
Chasing millions, I gon' be safe boat. Running out the digits, call me Spider-Man. The way I'm swinging, but I'm never missing. Kiana, it's I'm a misfit because I'm really different. But it all brings a million servants at me. You better respect me. Test. Try to come back and don't work and pretend that they got you. You better know everything. I said a dumbery. In a Maybach.
That's your better, yeah, you know we hate that.
You on forward, you know we don't backtrack. I'm keep on too. I run over to you. Better run back in money. I'm jumping in money. Keep walking that tree. Get paid to sleep. I was gonna hallway back in the Google me. I was gonna white before they was new to me. Now everybody had black that was cool to me. What? Huh? Keep working on yourself. Don't you worry about no friends. Not everybody's the same. They might switch up for a band. Shake your other mental up or else the pain will never end.
They coming for his life when they
Try to take his rights when they
take away his rights. And some people take it fly. Somebody call the doctor. I kinda feel strange. So many people telling lies. I think the world is
going insane.
R.P. Breonna Taylor, don't forget. I'ma back. I'ma be the change, yeah. I'ma make an impact. Say my name, that is what we are. We go on and on, like a paragon. Yeah, okay. So many sides to the mental perspective. The new dialectic. This is the future, we better protect it. Our life is precious. MSC and Lionheart, you better respect it. What is the lesson? Life is just like the paragon. That is what we are. That is what we are. That is what we are.
Okay, if you divide death, my life is on a circle. Take care of your mental, or it'll hurt you. If I'm the end of song, then follow through the pain, then there is no excuse for us not to do the same. If love is the answer, and what is the question? If lessons are death, what is the lesson? No time for drama, and no time for stressing. Overlook my culture.
That's a microaggression. If love is the answer,
And what is the question?
if lessons are dead,
What is the lesson?
no time for drama,
No time for stressing.
overlook my culture. That's a microaggression.
Peace.
Alright, so our group's My Shades Ebony, we're a neo hip-hop soul group. We do a lot of things around Louisville, Kentucky area. So we came here because it's Earth Day. We came to Berea to perform here. Hey, you can follow us on IG at Mighty Shades Ebony, and you can go to our website at justiceleague.lou.
What do we do on the state level?
On the state level, what we've teared down multiple bills that would block out you from learning more about yourself as a person. There were bills such as HB 14 and HB 138 and SB 138, which we went up to the Frankfurt and we marched the Capitol, and we were personally told by Attica Scott that we were part of the reasons that destroyed that bill, which would the anti-critical race theory, which would stop people such as myself or everybody in the crowd from learning more about who they are and where they came from in the school setting.
And we also helped defeat the Crown Bill with the Real Young Prodigy.
Good job.
Hey, yo, what about the national level? Yo,
About the national level, but on a national level though, we've marched through DC.
I'm sorry, I'm still.
We've been to.
I've also got that camera going over there.
More about a paragon.
Oh, a paragon.
What we've done over there with the Middle Eastern conflict and stuff like that.
Alright, I'm gonna tell you about what we got going on with Louisville University right now. We got the air justice, because we're working on tricked out air quality monitors in the hood, but you can smell it, but you can't see it. That's the problem. So you can smell when there's something wrong in the air, but you can't see it. So we're working on Louisville project right there. And in this, you will hear a song called Breathe, and that's the most important. DJ, kick that beat.
Yeah. This song is called Fool, y'all about to see why.
Yeah, MLK had a dream. Like MJ, I'm on a team. It's just like a poor ill, orchestrated there. When I enter my coach, you already know I'm hitting. When I read, look through the line. Dance between the hip of a clock with a puppet. Take one shot from a cop, we drop on the scene, but that's not enough. No! 13 shots in the back. This is just whack, and we get buzzed like a dickhead. Yeah! Let's talk about China, saving the cheese. Community work doing just like a breeze. Hurt people before you tell them to control people. Get a sick assignment. When I equals, I'm the king of private. I don't need an opinion, I'm independent. When I make a decision, you go with it. Yeah, I don't need an opinion, I'm independent. When I make a decision, out of my way, out of my sight. Have to remember the reason I fight. We're fighting for you, that you love the life. What you with all my might, get out of my ways, get into my sight. Have to remember the reason I fight. We're fighting for you, that you love the life. What we do with all my might. Okay, guys.
We hate it, but I'm about people so lyrical. I know I'm real, all this time you can match. I just don't like the boy hit you.
Just we get a look.
Go crazy to show with a baby, but I'm the king of the
Feels my power.
but if I'm a shot on the chalice, I sit and I know who the baddest. I've never been average. I know I have roll on the
Power like a man. Can't take with me, so I'm that day.
other rappers, they be hiding, that's my plan to set pump on
Get it back.
Act is not just a rapper. Real man love take care of what matters. Go on, because I find a lot of that.
remarkable, great ideas. Live to spark you, just like the 4th of July. I'm great, I'm bright, I'm right in your eyes. Wait, I'm back on the beat. Global warming, how color the heat. The beat control you, I get to see. You seem to be lost where you need to be. Breathe, I can't see. I am an idol. They want to be me because I'm too trash. Try to get the facts and the facts. Let's relax and I'll rap. Keep going and say that no breaking no business. Let's relax, I might even in it. One time and I gotta just finish. Don't finish, so finish. Keep going, I'm calling infinite. That you are a person, I'm so with it. Now this is the finish. That you are a person, I'm so with it. Now this is out of my ways, not into my sight. Had to remember the reason I fight. We're fighting for unity of a life. What we do with all our might. Got out of my ways, got into my sight. Had to remember the reason I fight. We're fighting for unity of a life. And what we do with all our might.
That song was FULL. It's an acronym, as you all know, for unity, love, and light. DJ, kick that neck.
Tally, let him know.
It looks like that you can't make it. You go into a hole, but it's really, really draining. You know,
Get to the top, had to find my way through it, so I had to shoot my shot. Coming from the pool, where no one understood me, to me and nigga, coming out. And so I wonder where I'm gonna be, I start to see the vision. All you gotta do is just sit back and listen. I'm talented, creative, and I'm also innovative. And the only way I'm here today is because I'm play. So remember about that 5-year-old, he ain't got a shout. He turned into a kid, now he a little shit that poppy. He is staying strong now. Remember how they talk down his back that was a hobby. And they're an understanding kid in a talent. Now he started to become a king of Bill and some talent. Remember about the days when they said they couldn't make it. They was at the top, he done got it.
it looks like that you can't make it. You go into a hole, but it's really, really draining. You know, you will go. It's like that you can't make it. You go into a hole, but it's really, really draining. You know, you will go.
I think it's safe to say that ever since I was a baby, and not just physically, but mentally, I really made it. I think it's safe to say that I am not a slave to hate. I think it's safe to say that now I'm really elevated. I really went up on a Tuesday, it was blue day. Remember when I was so mad I couldn't see the highway on the highway. It was my space, couldn't see past the crying. Yeah, that's my right. Like a sucker in a mission, that was just a riot. Getting friends that wouldn't say what I was for what I need in my life, just getting better. And I looked around me, and I looked out the dreams. Now I look back and I'm facing all the Monday. Living out my dreams, thanks to my team. On and on and on and on and on. Alright, that was our song called Growing Pains, and this, okay. So we not only, I know I talked a little bit about what we've done earlier, but I didn't mention how we, before we went to DC and marched the Capitol, we also went to West Virginia where we protested against Senator Manchin and Mitch McConnell, because he, in West Virginia, if you all don't know, he is... But if y'all don't know, in West Virginia, states like that, like we have people literally known, like their nickname is the Reaper for ensuring death among people in poverty. So, DJ, next song. Okay. Okay. Put you in. everybody. They get a bar, poetry and up on mics. Cherokee bars, jobs, we was wild. Get to release, each one was a head. Okay, I know you just how we made it here. Where? Ain't at the capital, we made it there. Yeah. These brothers dance, fellas, brothers here. That's a hip hopper. Yeah. These computers, we are showstoppers. We only going up like the opposite of gravity. It's like another fatality.
Embassy will put you in first class. Embassy will put you in first class. Are you ready? Some people playing games like it's 2K on the Xbox. I know they praying they can be a second kickbox. Speaking of rocks, we got rock stars. Mesmerize the crowd. Hold it real quick, let it youngest with a flow. Saying that to him, but they really ain't jack. Real deal, MSC put the feel on the map, okay?
Call me cat, so we float like a wag and sing like a beast. Shout out to my homie,
Video release.
one fantastic, yo, we not beginning. A pair of God did it, and I had to prove it. Every beginning in the summer, in the winter, in the higher state. Said I one of us in it. And my eyes in the out the way. Let me see what you wear. First class.
First class. MSC will put you in. We are the only blueprint pioneers. Take no status. Your mind is delusional. I'm able to like yo, we like jockeys. Unsauce jockeys. Don't look past. We are first class. MSC will put you in. First class. MSC will put you in. First class.
Scholar, and his behavior is excellent. He's a great storyteller, so we did a story exchange. And when you tell, if I tell you my story, you tell me yours, and then we become each other, we can step on in each other's shoes and develop empathy. And so I don't have to love or like you to resolve conflict. We just need to understand one another. So Ian and I were having a story. Is that right? Here you go, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that's what kind of connected us. And one thing led to another. He kept asking to be in the group, and he just kept asking and asking, and we didn't really have any openings, but his perseverance got him a spot to at least come around and try out. And now I want to showcase where he was rapping at one point, and I was hard on him. I said, you're putting me to sleep, you're boring me. I'm about to take all your parts away. You better go home and put the time in. And he came back the next rehearsal, and this is what he did.
Three? Well, there are 3 mics on stage, so I'll just have to get it.
Come on, Ian. Let's go, Ian.
Yeah.
Come on, Ian.
Spin something for it.
This mic seems louder. It takes this.
Come on, Ian.
Let's go. Ambitious, ain't no competition. Race without a finish. Definition of expedition. Now I'm on a mission, chasing millions like I'm Usain Bolt, running up the digits. Call me Spider-Man, the way I'm swinging, but I'm never missing. Keanu with the Smithin. I'm a misfit because I'm really different. Put it up, these millions to protect me. You better respect me, test me. Try to come back me, no rush, protecting the guys. You better know everything. I said a Dummery and a Maybach, retrograding, and you know that we hate that. We going for it. You know what I'm backtrack. I'ma keep going forever and ever until it get better and better than money. No joke, I ain't funny. Keep working until you get paid to sleep. I was working hard way back in the Google me. I was working way before they was doing me. Now everybody act like they was cool with me. What? Huh? Keep working on yourself. Don't you worry about no friends. Not everybody's the same. They might switch up for a band. Take care of your mental health or else the pain will never end.
All right. Okay. So, no, we doing one more. I want to see what you got. There's a new song I'm working on. All right, come on up here, J Flow. We're gonna get you next.
Me? Okay.
Come on, J Flow.
It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood, a beautiful day for a neighbor. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? Want to be my neighbor. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood, a beautiful day for a neighbor. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? Want to be my neighbor.
It's a beautiful day outside, a wonderful day to come out and vibe, a beautiful day to drive the company car. Justice Lil, we going far. I'm the lion with the heart. Call me Starry Night, cause I'm working hard. 50 points for each of my goals, like the kid playing darts.
Alright. Let me hear what you got. Give me that mic.
Put me on the spot, shit.
It's my turn to get on stage. I'm all about my grades. Check on my GPA. One day I'ma get paid. Trying to make it to the top. Let you know I never stop. I make a beat to kill it. I make a deal to seal it. I can make a beat drop. Just like a bubble I pop. I miss the percussion, there is no discussion. I stop on the down without interruption. I'm steady but rushing, this my introduction. Yeah, I go by the name Lil Keith. I'm steadily bringing the heat. I go by the name Lil Keith. I'm steadily bringing the heat.
Alright, before we kick it to this next song, again, shout out to Berea. Overflow. Your impression can become a weapon, so sit down right now while I teach you a lesson. Not how to be hard like a thug, but the simple effect of a smile and a hug. You never know, no, if the pain stuck in their brain, got them feeling as small as the O. Or if the pain that they brought, they got them feeling bars that don't even have enough for toe. Stuck in their mind and their body, trauma is bonded like a finish in the yo. If you see something a little hustle, so we go, don't stop, keep on that boat. And we promise to go, starts overflow, we love everything, just even our boats. If you live on this earth, then you are my bro. Lil Valley, if you live on this earth, then you are my bro. Go get it.
Don't have to hurt your feelings, please remember you.
Yeah, okay.
Like your happiness, I'm feeling hopelessness.
It's there to stay.
Flooded with my intrusive thoughts, it's hard to get away. World's time is going place to place, but hey,
I'm okay. Sometimes
I am not a believer, I'm not a seer.
I'm a different one.
Have emotions flowing through me and talk to truth.
Speak none.
No, me so often I just give my word. Going up that it's a difference. It's hard to do it, I'm sure I take off that mask.
It's massive.
Know your truth.
That's tragic.
Now look at this magic. That's estrogen, that's passion. Beware of mistakes and rightness. I'm allergic to flex, I do backflips. I never go broke, I side chip. I'm a go.
Go.
Yes, it's Alice. What we do is the power to use to be dreamers. Such as the demons. Haters and cancer, we are believers. Love is the answer. Don't be a wallflower.
You ain't got a lot on your life, cause we love the whole nation. Say he's banging it. No correlation. Crazy on here.
Watch what's in the meter.
Please put that.
You have not touched the beat. No gun.
I'm sitting with that seat belt like this.
Like this.
Lying about this.
Now one night in the pen,
Lying about this.
with no beds in his hands, he
He
just
just part of that. He just wanted upset.
look at it. I tell about you shoved out one pair, he's in top of the world. I ain't sitting against the load you so floated. We making no moments, so we're not getting, but I'm still with the gang and it's okay to be you. Honest better than fun for the real, keep on flying that price. Lord, that's just how we go, don't stop, keep on that boat. And we promise to go, start to overflow, we love everything, yes, even our foes. If you live on this earth, then you are my bro. Lil Mally, if you live on this earth, then you are my bro. Okay,
You never know that kind of show where that happiness comes from.
overflow.
You gotta go to say, don't let it show, but if you let it flow,
Be mindful,
you gotta be better.
Still get your chance.
Can't ever settle
The
the
future's yours.
You decide you lose in a battle sometimes.
You winning the war.
Sometimes that pain is body of sword. You've been through battles, you've been through war. Sometimes that pain is body of love. You've been through the struggle, you've been through the war.
Switch it up.
But you tell how it really feels. And the pain when it's really gonna take it. We got out to the break it.
Thanks, Mom. Thank you to you, baby.
Anger is just like a loaded weapon. You hurt others, but you're killing yourself. It was stress and depression is nothing
But a negative inflation could be love and affection.
Love got the state.
Now that is a lesson.
This is the last little thing for the first set. We're gonna have a second set, y'all, in a little bit with more of our environmental justice songs. For the second set, did y'all want to? Was something you wanted to do?
Kids, when you ask. Go home? Yes, they're great.
Okay.
All right. Or Rashid can be that.
Rashid on the mic.
Chris on the mic.
Chris on the mic.
Chris on the mic.
Chris on the mic.
Yeah.
Ready? Ready?
Realize the way the time flies is sacrificial, not beneficial. Stop hating, debating if it's a riddle. Funerals, counting like numerals. Killing it to it though. That's an instinct. You got a reaction, but now your hood stick. Voice like blue ink. You ever use your mind up here. I see these new things. Beauty is like power in the world we devour. Happiness is tragic. Nothing has meaning. These fiends they be fiending for anything. Fill the place.
Her time said happy day.
But her mom was home.
Saturday. She was loopy like Saturn rays. About to give up on everything.
Yeah.
Nothing is something disgusting and fussing. She running and shoving, becoming nothing is stunning.
Yeah. I find it crazy. It's crazy how the world changed so much.
But we having a ball.
It's crazy how it still plays a massive toll.
It's crazy how the media
Keep walking. They be so strong.
Let's start with the
Prison and incarceration rate. 13% of the states. Now it's 34% in the states. It's got to be insane. There's gotta be a reason for the claim.
They tell us that we're insane. My wife and our bubbers. They just want the power. They just want the power. They tell us that we're insane. My wife and our bubbers. They just want the power. They just want the power. They will let us sleep.
It's all the weekend, pick it up with the beats, catch this shit, killing me out, fight for right, fight for right. That's life, I'm fighting for my life, doing or die. That's why I'm trying to reach up to the sky. We are the stars, cruising over space, I'm hanging out like bars. What's coming to our bar? Go hard in the stars, go hard in the sea. Now you know who we are, now you know who we are, and you know what we do. Roll up the eyes, minds, and the people there. Just like you. Okay,
Let's take a look into the
black man's mental.
What happens in my
Society has a rental. If you ain't,
6'3".
then you ain't tall enough.
We make 100K.
Then you ain't falling enough.
We have behind the dance so we
Can't be successful.
We got ourselves like him
Must have turned into a gecko.
But that's super street.
Like I'm out of the army.
I'm a lyrical genius to some.
That's just alarming.
We all have different passions, talents and dreams, but we have them in the cave because of our society.
All my brothers and my sisters.
When I say listen up, can we ever love ourselves or can we ever be enough? They tell us that we're insane. Tell us I've been a fraud. When all they just want the power. They just want all the power. They just want the power. They tell us that we're insane. They tell us how I've been up, how I've been up, brain. They just want all the power. They just want the power. Playing hard.
Mighty shades of ebony.
I had them with me, and I'm glad I didn't do it. Exactly. I was alone. There's too many variables. I usually do hike on it, but I didn't have anybody with me, and I don't need that.
What up, y'all? MSC is back. This is back. Yo. Yeah. We love y'all, Berea. MSC. Back at it again. MSC, back at it again.
Playing hard.
MSC, back at it again. Yeah. Ryan Hart and MSC in full play. Ryan Hart, MSC, we go far.
Yeah, that was
is the test? What is the lesson? No time for drama, no time for stressing. Overlook my future, that's a micro-aggression. Seeking all the hate and the pain and the tragedy. Feeling that life is an impossibility. Focus on her life, my future is right. She's all about her business, now it's time to take flight. Seeking for reflection, then I switch into reality. Intelligent job, deep mentality. Love is not a hopeless place, light up the darkness. Fire flames spit up, fortune is lost it. Power in the pain, rainbows are rain. Never be afraid to go against the grain. How can I say this? Hi, my name is Jalen. When I'm on the mic, I know that you play with. When you saw a straight bro, always on the run. Walking elevator, busy now later. I am up like a later. I spit hella hard. That's like pushing hard. I'm living the legacy. Barely remember me. I never that's my destiny. I'll be down me. Take their hands off like I do double G. Big boss says me. Now is the time. Let me get. Yeah, I'm ambitious. Ain't no competition. Wait for the finish. Definition of exhibition. Now I'm on a mission. Chasing millions like I'm Usain Bolt. Running up the digits. Call me Spider-Man. The way I'm singing, but I'm never missing. Keanu, respected. I'm rich. I'm really different. It's big. So it looks like he better snake. He says he try to come back to the rest of the day. They got me about everything I said over. And my back was ready and you know it. What? Huh? You know yourself. Don't you worry about your friends. Not everybody the same. They might switch up for a bit. Take it off the list. I'm okay with that. They come for his life when they try to take his rights. When they take away his life, there's some people taking flight. Somebody call a doctor. I kinda feel strange. So many people tell a lie. I think the world is going insane. If we honest, don't forget to say a name. We don't know what's my pain, yeah. I'm a real bomber back. I'ma be a change, yeah. I'ma make an impact. Say my name, yeah. That is what we on. We go on and on. Like a paragon. Yeah. So many times that I'm meant to protect it. And you got your liquor. This is our future. We better protect it. My life is precious. MSC and lion. Are you better respect us? Why is the lesson? Life is just like the paragon. That is what we are. That is what we are. That is what we are. If you come back that, all I see on a circle, take care of your ritual, or it'll hurt you. While we in the song, involved in a pain, the girls want to shoot sports, not to go, they will go. Love is the answer. Then what is the question? What is the test? What is the lesson? No time for drama. No time for stressing. Overlook that question, that's a microaggression. And what is the answer? Then what is the question? What is the test? What is the lesson? No time for drama. No time for stressing. Overlook that question, that's a microaggression. Yo. Thank you, everybody. You made this one. You made this one. Alright, let's do this. DJ.
Alright, John. Get up there behind.
Yeah. Down trash cans, throw it in the trash can. If you see it, pick it up and throw it in the trash can. Drink out trash can, throw it in the trash can. If you see it, pick it up and throw it in the trash can.
In the past, under improv was a way of life. If injustice struck us down, our leaders, they were ride or die. Martin Luther King, he was assassinated, sacrificed, murders for his bravery, genocide. Back in the day, MLK went to Memphis, Tennessee. Two right there, crush of death, it was just a tragedy. They got crushed to death in the back of a garbage truck. If you're black, you work at sanitation, you are out of luck. Representative front was reserved for white people. If you black, you work in the back of the truck. You are equal, that these men cause mass hysteria. Two black men from an urbanized area. MLK responded by marching on Memphis. For 40 seconds, taking shit to Mars, they killed him. Now we in modern day. Do you dream of MLK? Equals, people turn the shut from over, man.
Down trash can, throw it in the trash can. If you see it, pick it up and throw it in the trash can. Down trash can, throw it in the trash can. If you see it, pick it up and throw it in the trash can.
It's not hard to do, it ain't nothing to it. Don't be a life in the game. Leave your hood on the floor. In the church.
Follow us on Instagram. Everybody see this. Oh yeah. What we gotta do?
Legacy, very important to me. I want my name in credit history. They're gonna know my name at the R.I.P. How to make yours? That's easy. How to make yours is the question you ask. Just follow me in these 3 easy tests. First off, you can't be afraid. But when the scared mind becomes prepared. Next step, you take all the information. You could be gonna teach your mind dedication. Last step, you gotta be you. Act for your rights. Don't let them
When I die and move on, I wanna leave a big legacy. Be one of the legends, like Tupac and Johnny Key. Nothing ain't stopping me, not even poverty, cause I'm on this earth for a reason to make history. Our generation, let's just say it, look at what they'll say D3, what a key, coming to the work. I'm still here breathing, cause I'm a little legacy. Now that's a valid reason, live a legacy, very important to me. Put my name in history.
You're gonna know my name, that's all about you. Want to make yours? That's easy.
I'm a living legacy, no reason to be scared of me. You said it's not black, well you better listen carefully. 90%, I believe brutality. I'm black brother, it's literally killing me, but I'm fighting for my life. My heart attacks for me. I wonder what you see. You see a killer industry, you see a black immigrant, I see a black. You see a person one piece, I see a young black. Many people questions, those niggas killing me, put us in a pocket, surrounded by dollars. Take off the real, but they give us up a phone. Hey, you make us work, make us hard for you. Money, no big loans or money. Believe in us or nothing. Make us think it's cool, makes it cool, so we will. See a real personality, and if we keep just kill us with brutality. Now 1 or 2 or even 3 football family and single ways is killing me. Yeah, but I know that we're trying to chase it over people just like you and me. Still live a legacy.
Very important to me. I want my name in greater history. You're gonna know my name after all around you. How to make yours? That's easy. Everybody, what's up?
What's up, everybody?
What's up, Cameron? We are the Mighty Shades of Ebony. Back in it again with a public service announcement, aka PSA.
What's up, everybody?
What's up, Valley?
We are the Mighty Shades of Ebony.
And we are back in it again
with a public service announcement, aka PSA, about the poor air quality justice in our community and what we need to do to make things change.
We gotta save the earth. We gotta save the earth. We gotta make a change. Something is in the air, making me feel strange. Come on, take a stand. What are we gonna do? We need to adjust it now. And it starts with me and you. We gotta save the earth. We gotta make a change. Something is in the air. We feel strange. Come on, take a stand. What are we gonna do? We need to adjust it. It starts with me and you. We are mighty shades of ebony. Back at it again. This is our PSA. Welcome to your friends, yeah. Mighty shades of ebony. Back at it again. This is our PSA. Welcome to your friends. Okay. To be more particular, and I'm not hard to climb in particular. Jazzy pops. I know we air physical, and we live in the city was. We live in the city where apples king. Carbon monoxide is something sting. We have a factory right down the street. Particle gas, we live on these things. No regulations, so they can make a buck. We stop for a while. We care about us.
This is our song
About air quality. We make this dope flow so that we can be happy. Particular matters out the outer city streets. It's a PSA for infancy. Let us breathe. Here's a little lesson for the masses. There is a visual of invisible gases. Particles and water with multi-nitrogen. CO2, carbon with a bit of oxygen. We need clean air. Now go to the gym.
No more power plants.
All these religion, okay. Regulate your planes, cars and trucks,
Industrial, chemicals, oils, and dust.
yeah. We gotta save the earth. We gotta make a change. Something is in the air, making me feel strange. Come on now, take a stand. What are we gonna do? Guess what? We need to adjust it now. And it starts with me and you. We gotta save the earth. We gotta make a change. Something is in the air, making me feel strange. Come on now, take a stand. What are we gonna do? We need to adjust it. It starts with me. The air is so polluted that I can hardly breathe. I can't even see what's right in front of me.
The grace will be stuck in my throat. The illusion of air makes me choke.
polluted, I can hardly breathe. I can't even see what's right in front of me. The air's so polluted, I can hardly breathe. I can't even see what's right in front of me. Let us breathe. Let us breathe. Let us breathe. Let us breathe. Let us breathe.
Let us breathe, let us breathe, let us breathe. I can hear y'all say it. Let us